Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to add or embed video element in HTML. Open web page using Notepad++. Before this, make sure that you have a .mp4 or .ogg or .webm format videos. Please copy these videos in the same folder where your web page HTML is located. For adding this video element in HTML, we need to use video tag, which specifies a standard way to embed a video in our web page. Add closing tag for video. In between these tags, we need to specify the video files. Please type source, which allows you to specify alternative video files which the browser may choose from. The browser will use the first recognized format. After that, space, please type src equal to, type the video file names with the extension. Similarly, I want to add one more source. OGG. After this, we need to create a video player by specifying 3 attributes. In the video tag, please type controls, space, and here we need to specify width and height for our video player. Width equal to 640 pixels and height equal to 360 pixels. If we don't specify width and height attributes, it will cover full width of our browser. Controls attribute adds a video player with play, pause, and volume options. Save the HTML. Open web page. Now we got a nice video player inside our web page. Let's play the video. For automatically play the video when the web page is loaded, please add autoplay option and save the HTML. Come to web page, reload. It will automatically play the video whenever web page is loaded. And to play the video over and over again, we need to add loop attribute. Please save the HTML, come to web page, reload it. Before playing the actual video, I want to display a poster or image. Come to HTML and here please type poster equal to, please add the file name with the extension. To view the poster, I want to remove autoplay. Now save the HTML, come to web page, reload it, and now we got a poster before playing the actual video. Like this, we can add or embed video element in HTML. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.